What is up, y'all? This is Travis, also known as the Raw View, and today we're looking at the Corsair K70 RGB Mk2. This keyboard is a full-size keyboard like all the Corsair K70s are. The build quality of this keyboard is excellent, if I do say so myself. To me, it looks like the brushed aluminum is actually a little bit closer together, like the grooves and the brushed aluminum are closer together and they don't seem like they're as deep. Feels like it's a little easier to clean. The Corsair logo on the top of the keyboard now lights up. There is a metal volume wheel, a mute button right next to that. You have your media controls over there on the right hand side. On the left hand side, you have a profile button, a lights on off switch, and then you also have Windows lock. When you flip the keyboard onto the bottom, you can see the feet that it has, and also you can see some grooves cut out to route cables such for your like mice or whatever else you want. It comes with a very nice feeling and soft wrist support. On the back of this keyboard, you have a thick braided USB cable that terminates into two USB ports on the other end. Also on the back side, you have a USB pass-through. The spacebar is texturized, and so are some of the extra keycaps that you get with the K70. So this keyboard comes in 5 switches: your silent, your speed, your red, your blue, and your brown. On the keyboard that I got sent, I have Cherry MX blue switches on it, which are the more clicky, tactile keys. Something interesting about this keyboard, even though they use MX Blues, because the housing doesn't have any holes in it, you don't get a lot of amplified noise for when you bottom out a key like you do with some other keyboards. So just keep in mind that it's very well built and it's very solid, and you don't have any extra unnecessary noise. So the Corsair K70 RGB keyboard is compatible with Corsair's iQ software, which controls all the lights for pretty much anything Corsair: your mice, your keyboards, your mouse pads, your inside of your computer. So you can link all of that and make it, you know, all. That's personally not my cup of tea. I just don't care for that. I got the Corsair K70 and I stuck it to red lights. Basic, plain. Personally, that's what I like. It also has a crazy amount of lighting effects that basically come pre-installed, and you can customize them pretty much endlessly. So if that's your thing, if you like customizing the lights on your keyboard, this is the keyboard for you. It's pretty much the best there is when it comes to that. So who is this keyboard for? This is for people who are looking for a full-size mechanical keyboard. This is like literally one of the best full-size mechanical keyboards on the market. Personally, I don't use full-size mechanical keyboards. I don't like having a numpad. I prefer the extra mouse space. That's just me personally. That's not going to apply to everyone else. So if that's kind of what you're looking for, go with this one. And the main reason why is because their warranty process is great. I've actually returned something to Corsair, no problems. I got a new one back and it was great. And the warranty on their keyboards lasts for 2 years. So you can't really beat that. You're not going to get that with like some of the smaller brands, I don't think. A lot of times their warranty process is kind of a pain in the butt. They'll make you pay for your own shipping, blah, 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 blah. My warranty experience with Corsair has been amazing. So that's one of the reasons why I would say go ahead and spend the extra money, get the Corsair K70 RGB Mk2. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this review. Smash that like button if you like this video, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought, what you wanted to see, what I didn't show, anything. I don't care. Start a conversation. I am here. Anyways, I'm out. Peace.